how to reduce video file size inside Davinci Resolve. To get started, I'm having a video footage on my timeline which is recorded on 4K and I wanna reduce the video file size for it. Currently that file is having 545 megabytes for 30 seconds 4K video clip. I'm going here in Delivery tab, and on the right side you can see that I already have rendered both of them. The first one is the original one and the second one is the reduced video file size. You can see that the timers are pretty much the same. To reduce the file size you can go to quality here, and which says best you can go to low, medium or high. I'm picking low. Keep in mind that not only it's gonna lower the video file size but also it's going to affect the quality, as you can probably tell. And by exporting it on low quality I'm having a video file which is 223 megabytes compared to the original 545. In here you can check out the before and after and decide for yourself is it worth it. Also you can check out this video right here, I'm pretty sure you're gonna like it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.